What's up guys, I am back to the screen for the best product unboxing on this video. So anyone watch my videos on first time, please click to subscribe to support with me guys, and like my video fastly. So you are also see my thumbnail and title. So don't waste time. Let's start our video. My name is Tech Sidhu. Welcome back to our channel SS Tech Beats. So guys, this one is bill paper, and then the gadget price is starting at 2000 rupees on Amazon and Flipkart. So first one I can explain all details for this box. So this one is Thunder 2.1 multimedia home theater set. So then the company is test-iball, and look at the underside for the box. Many more details are available in this box guys, so I can explain one by one. This features contains as a powerful 40 watt speaker and a 2.1 speaker system and a standing RGB LED lights on this whopper guys. So standing RGB lights is one of the branded LED lights, and multi-input guys like BT, USB, SD, MMC, AX, FM, and deep bass stereo sound affected supported guys, and also remote with bass and treble controller is provided on this subwoofer guys. So total output 40 watts working, and also subwoofer can gives only 20 watts, and 1 into 10 and 2 into 20 watts power can work in the subwoofer speakers guys. And next one is whopper drivers and satellite drivers, frequency, saturation, so many details are available on this box friends. So look at the total weight is 4.17 kgs, and also this one is only branded details guys. These are all for not only home theater details. So guys, in this box contains as two multimedia speakers, and this package is one remote controller, and these are also cables guys, and this one is manual paper guys. So now let's check out the subwoofer. Hey guys, look at the product. This is our multimedia 2.1 home theater. It's looking very awesome guys, and this stunning design is looking very cool. So now I can explain how many functions available on this gadget. So this one is volume controller, and this is a power, and this is a song's previous back pass of switches guys, and these are also RGB lights guys. Wow, awesome. And look at the top side, this is a USB pin, and this is a SD card guys. And turn into the back side. So back side, two output jacks are available, and downside two input jacks are available, and also this is a radio controller cable guys, and this is a power switch. And look at this speaker guys, this design also looking very cool. And we can talk to the subwoofer build quality. Then the build quality is very awesome guys, and this subwoofer looking very hard and strong. I think this is one of the best budget price subwoofer on 2000 price guys. And also this subwoofer coming as 1 year warranty guys. And look at the remote guys, then the remote is also awesome, and then the company also provided the batteries on this remote guys. So guys, look at the remote designing. It has a USB, SD, FM, BT, LED lights, treble, bass, all functional keys available separately. So we can use very easily to use the remote. So guys, this home theater very awesome on 2000 price. This home theater have many more smart features and only 2000 price. I think 2000 price is a budget price home theater guys. And according to my experience, this product build quality is awesome guys, and also working performance always perfectly, and base quality are also awesome guys. So anyone would you like this product, I have pasted the link and description guys. You can go to the description, click the link and order this product. And also this product comes with a 1 year warranty and 7 days replacement guys. So let's switch on the product and test. Let's how to work. Home theater. So anyone, if you like my video, please click to subscribe to support with me guys and like my video. If you can possible, share my videos on your friends guys. And if you have any doubts, please comment me. I will try my level best for reply all doubts. So we can meet you next video guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.